Hi everyone. Here's a Flexcom model of a steel pipe installation in deep water. Now typically JLA installation is used in deeper water, but this simulation uses SLA as it leads to high levels of bending strain as the pipe passes over the stinger. So the example is somewhat artificial as it's specifically crafted in order to illustrate Flexcom's ability to model plastic deformation. Significant bending strain is experienced as the pipe deforms over the stinger under its own self-weight during the payout process. The residual strain is evident as a vertical section of pipe which hangs off the stinger. It's clearly not straight as it's lower down through the water column. Localized concentrations of bending strain are highlighted on screen by colour contouring. Once the pipe reaches the seabed, the lower end is fixed using pinned boundary condition and the vessel begins to move forward while the payout continues. As the laydown progresses, the pipe starts to straighten out and eventually the direction of curvature fully reverses from hogging to sagging as the pipe profile adopts an S-lay shape. A lot of residual strain remains post-installation. Flexcom uses an isotropic plastic hardening model, and you can find full details of the formulation in our online documentation. If you have any interesting videos, Flexcom simulations which you'd like us to showcase, please contact us at sw.support@woodplc.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.